Earlier this year, we went to France to go on a skiing holiday, which didn't turn out to be a skiing holiday. It was one of the warmest Februaries in a quite a while, and so we didn't have see much snow, but we still enjoyed it. And then for my wife's birthday in June, I decided I'd like to have a keepsake of memory of our holiday and give that to her, but make it something special. So I printed this, which is a lithophane. So if you look through that, you'll see it is a 3D printed picture of us. So I'll show you now how to generate this STL file for 3D printing, and then just generate it. And the nice thing is I decided to make a frame, and just a flat piece so that you can put it against the window, or you can maybe put some light behind it, which I'll probably do in the future. So like, for example, if I do a light like this, diffused light, I get the nice picture. The nice thing is how it works is the materials, obviously this is white, 3D printed, but for darker colors it's thicker printed, and for light it's thinner printed, so you actually get more light going through or not, and then you get your effect of like almost a black and white photo, because this is one color only. And yeah, that's it. Let me move over to the PC and show you how to do this. Okay, to make a lithophane, I don't know how to pronounce that, on my 3D printer, I went to lithophanemaker.com. I decided to use a flat lithophane. So the first thing you do is just click on the link, go there, but you need a source file, source image that you'd like to use. So I've got this picture that we took in France earlier this year. I did a quick edit, just using the basic stuff from Windows, and then I saved the copy. And once I saved the copy, I opened it up in Lithophane Maker. You'll see that it crops the edges around this thing. So what I did is I changed the width to 195, this and the height to 125, just to make sure it fits into my printer. And then I also just moved up the crop on the y-axis to about 0.9. Yep. And you just add your email address, you click on create STL, and then it takes a while to download it. It creates a zip file. You open the zip file, you extract all the stuff. You will find two files in there, a settings file and a STL file. By just clicking on the STL file, you can get an idea of what it looks like. I use Ultimaker Cura, and so what I did is I just took that STL file and I dragged and dropped it onto Cura to get a better view of what it looks like. Here I'm just like moving it around, zooming in and out, just to get an idea of what this thing will look like. It's like a flat frame, and it looks quite cool. Settings I use, the dynamic settings I've general set up for my 3D printer. Nothing fancy, just fine printing, a bit slow, etc. So you export that and save it to disk. Okay, that was showing you how I created the STL. I've got an Ender 3 printer, and it's old, but it still prints quite well. So, and it printed this thing. I did have to like sand some of the stuff a little bit, just to make it smoother. You'll see that there's some points here that's still got some little things that's stuck behind, but the result is still amazing. So happy with that. And like I said, the next step is probably for me to make a frame and put some LEDs in there, etc. But for now, what we're doing is just holding it, wrong place, in front of the window. I can't see it there, but you'll see it in front of the window at my wife's desk, and she can look at our picture without any issues.